Hello gardening friend, it is a very exciting day today. It is the first day of spring. So today I'm going to be doing some in-ground spring sowed sugar snap peas that I got from a friend. So let's get over to the garden, I'll show you where I'm going to plant these, show you how easy it is and how you can get a delicious crop of sugar snap peas. I've got a trellis here and I've got some great soil that I've put lots of compost and mulch and everything on over the years, so this is going to be a great spot for them. So let's get to it. Right, so I'm going to just clear this straw back a little bit to get down to the soil. I just put a seed on the soil and push it down in with my finger. Go a ½ inch to 1 inch. Even these guys really sprout up well. Even though we could get a little bit more frost, these guys don't mind the cold. Even if they get frosted a little bit on their tips, they will grow back. So, love sugar snap peas. Love to do them in like stir fry or eat them raw. Either way, it's really good. And I got a lot of seeds here. I have another trellis on the downside of the garden that I'm going to put these in as well. I do have some arugula I might have to thin out as these grow. And I might just put a little tiny bit of straw back over there. Sugar snap peas are really an easy crop. Just give them a try. Springtime, it's fun to have something growing. They're one of the first things that'll sprout up for you too. All right, thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. We'll see you all again real soon.